Find the value of x using log table. If 1 minus x raised to 10 is equal to 0.9045. Now apply log on both the side. Log of 1 minus x raised to 10, here also log of 0.9045. Now this is of this formula type. So you have to write n log m. So 10 will come here. Log of 1 minus x is equal to 0 means it will come 1 bar. Now go to log table. In that C90, fourth column is 9562 and fifth main difference is 2. If you add these two, so it will be 9564. Now write log of 1 minus x 1 bar divided 1 bar 0.9564 divided by 10. So how much it will be? So 1 bar 0.9564. Now take this log on the other side. So it will become 1 minus x antilog 0.9564. Now go to antilog table. In that 0.09 fifth column mean difference 6. So it is 1, 2, 4 and 5 plus 2 is 7. Since there is a 1 bar here, so you have to write 0 point. So here 1 minus x. Take this minus on the right hand side, it will become plus, and bring this to the left hand side, it will become minus. So 1 minus 0.1247 is equal to x. Subtract this from the calculator. So you will get 0.8753. So this is your x value and final answer.